and I am running summer camp for past 5 years, and this is my 6th year of summer camp. So every year I come up with a new concept. So this year I have come up with a new concept called Kala Goda, and like now this year I am running in 2 centers. We are doing it because normally I get students from various places. I thought, why not? Let me have 2 places. So what is special about Kala Goda? What is meant by Kala Goda is what, like, people just like, what is there? There is nothing connection between Kala Goda and Kids Summer Camp. Actually, Kala Goda is one of the festival which happens at Mumbai every year, whereas all the creative people get together and they will celebrate creativity, storytelling, artisans and theatre, drama, literature. So many people will come over there and they will celebrate creativity. So my summer camp is completely based on creative program. So it will be there, like, all the as usual activities will be there. Dance will be there, drama will be there, art and craft will be there, painting will be there, drawing will be there, but like everything will have a creative aspect in that. So from there I derived that name Kala Goda, and I added it. It is a kids summer festival. So kids will be enjoying lots and lots of activities which is very creative. And yes, like, there are many needs for children to come to summer camp. First thing, like, they are going to get very bored. It is highly difficult for the parents to engage them for the full day completely, and they don't want to sit in front of the TV also. And this is the right time where children can channelize their energy in a proper way and learn something new, whatever they can't learn from a school. Like in school they are learning academics and everything, but like apart from that, the life skills, personality development, creativity, everything, they can utilize this 1.5 month and they can learn. So that is how, like, I have framed the planner also, and I am having a blueprint of the program, like right from the day one. It starts from 24th of April and goes till May 30th. Right from the day one, first hour, to May 30th last hour, I have a blueprint, like what activity, when it is going to happen, how it is going to happen. And I framed it in such a way it will not be boring for the children. There are 10 different dimensions of activity. Each activity will go weekly twice. Doodling is there, art and craft is there, brain gym is there, cognitive program is there, creative writing, impersonate is a new program where else children will enact like others, and like, they come out with their shyness, inhibitions, and they present themselves in a proper way. So different kinds of activities are there. And yes, I am catering from 3 years to 13 years. Different groups are there, different activities are there, and all my teachers are well trained in that. Like in the past 1 month we are getting trained. I'm training my teachers. I have actually called teachers from different schools, like, who are really good and expertise in handling children, and they are trained with my concept, and now they are well set, ready to take over the summer camp now. 4 groups are there: toddlers, sub-juniors, juniors and seniors. 4 groups are there. So like 3 to 13 years back, like, we are having the groups divided into 4. What we are doing in school, like normally at end of the school education, I am preparing my children to be professionally qualified to earn money. Okay, I'm making a doctor, I'm making an engineer, or like architect, or whomsoever. I can earn 50,000 or 60,000. But like, am I making a child to learn how to be happy in life? Is a question mark always. Like, am I teaching my children, like, how to take things happily, or how to handle frustrations easily? That is what always lagging behind, I feel. So the main focus of my summer camp is, like, break the thought. Don't have mind block. Think beyond. Like, it is not necessary that what you think that I should also think in the same way. It is nothing wrong. There is nothing called, like, good and bad thinking. Everything is good until and unless it comes from yourself. So I want that exposure to be given. So express yourself through drawing, express yourself through gestures, communication, words, writing, but express. Tell. Until and unless you tell, you will not be able to understand. And until and unless you express, there is no point of being knowledgeable. Whatsoever you are talented, you should know how to present yourself. So these are all the skills that which I am expecting from these children.